my girlfriend, Algebra, and she is so hot, she gives me the tangent of a 45-degree angle.
Geometry is my boyfriend, and he makes me rotate 360 degrees.
No, Algebra, you lost the race. I will wrap my arms around you to form a major arc.
Geometry, your rotational symmetry blows me away.
Algebra, I love you so much. You're inscribed in my circle. Get it?
Geometry, you have so much volume. You take so much volume up in my heart that I need to wear 3D glasses to say 3 words to you. I love you. What geometry? Your heart is as irrational as an oblique polyhedron.
What? Algebra. Our circle of love used to be divided by 1 diameter, but now it's divided by 3 radii. We're over.
Okay. Hey children, we are now going to take a test.
You may now begin the test.
This should be easy, since I hate algebra and I like geometry. Look, I have to find the perimeter and the area.
I thought you said you loved algebra.
I hate algebra.
Stop showing your test off to the other contestants, you cheater.
Sorry, teacher.
Do we have to write our name?
Yes.
You guys write the date too?
Yes.
What language?
Date is optional.
And what language?
French.
What?
Do we have to write the title?
Yes.
And what if we don't take French?
What day is it?
Too bad for you.
What if we have Senora Johnson?
Too bad for you.
What day is it today?
It's the 5th.
It's the 6th.
It's the 5th.
It's the 6th.
It's
Of
the
what?
5th of March.
It's the 6th of March. Okay, let's now begin.
March?
Yes.
I thought it was June.
Akhil, is that a 4 or a 2?
It's both. You have a problem with that?
Akhil, I need an answer.
It's 21.
Okay, Akhil, you failed. But you got the units right, so I'll give you a plus.
Yes, an F plus.
You forgot your name.
Oh no.
Sorry, there goes the plus.
No. Space whale.
We are now looking over Akhil Patel's test.
Akhil, it appears as if you have failed.
Why is that?
Well, first of all, you wrote the date in the wrong language.
What?
Therefore,
what
you get a
language?
minus. You were supposed to write in French, Akhil!
Not in Spanish.
That is Spanish!
But my titulo was correct. Es correcto.
Failure. And Akhil, what number is this?
What do you think it is?
Is it a 2 or a 4?
It's a 21.
21? I'm sorry, Akhil, that is not the correct answer. But for being fancy, you get plus 1. You
Nice.
still fail.
Oh,
You now have a 1.
no. Space whale.
We are now looking over Alina Lee's math test.
I'm sorry, Alina. I believe 7 is not the correct answer.
Why?
Alina, what answer is this?
Well, I thought it was supposed to be a declaration about geometry.
I need a number, Alina.
But,
What number is this?
It's a heart.
I'm sorry. Heart is not the right number.
But
But you got the right date.
But you crossed out the smiley face.
Not yet. Now it's crossed out.
No, it's please.
You got the right date. +1. You also get a 1.
But I wrote in Chinese.
What number is that in Chinese?
It's not a number.
Therefore, it's still wrong.
Why are you crossing out my love for geometry?
Because geometry doesn't love you back. I'm sorry, Alina.
Space whale.
Well, Mary, what is that?
Who's that?
He's being Murray.
Space whale.
Geometry. It looks like you've gotten both the right answers. Therefore, you get 100. But because you forgot your name, -1. Therefore, you only get a 99. Oh, and the date! No! That's another -1. 98. You failed. I'm sorry. But you still did beat Akhil and Alina. I'm sorry, Akhil and Alina. Let's move on to the next test. From Algebra. Algebra, you also got both the correct answers, but also, like geometry, -2 for the date and the name. You didn't even write it in Spanish. 98. You didn't get 100 either. I'm sorry.
The results are in. Akhil Patil got a 1 on his math test. You may applaud for him. Alina Lee also got a 1 on her math test. You may applaud for her. Meanwhile, the geometry textbook got a 98 on his math test.
No way, Asian failed.
You may applaud for him. And the algebra textbook also got a 98 on her math test. You may applaud for her. In the end, the challengers, Alina Lee and Akhil Patel, lost to the textbooks.
No.
And they must donate $1 million American dollars to them.
What?
Are you serious? Are you serial? Are you
You agreed to this contest. You challenged them. You made these
We never
rules.
signed it. We never signed it.
You made these rules yourself.
What? No.